Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SmartThings cloud integration for custom routines, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the SmartThings app on your device. Navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select device from the menu options. Locate the device that is integrated with SmartThings cloud. Tap on the device to open its settings. Scroll down to find the remove option. Confirm the removal of the device from the SmartThings cloud integration. Once the device is removed, return to the main menu. Tap on Automations to access your custom routines. Select the routine that is connected to the now removed device. Tap on Edit to open the routine settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Select Delete to remove the routine entirely. Confirm the deletion to finalize the process. After deletion, return to the main menu again. Check for any remaining links or dependencies related to SmartThings cloud integration. If there are any, navigate to those settings and also remove them. Once all integrations and routines have been removed, you are finished. Your SmartThings cloud integration for custom routines is now uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.